You guys, I am in the middle of editing and I realized I don't have the intro. And I was just like, what was I thinking this morning? And so, because I don't want it to be super awkward, I'm just gonna record something for you guys really quick. So, this is my Walmart haul for you guys. I do have some deals that I did at Target again. That's only because I was like literally like 4 or 5 offers short, and I was able to go to Target and finish off my my midweek. I needed 18 rebates for $5. What else did I want to say other than that? I think that's basically it, you guys. If you're new here, yes, if you are new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, remember I used to do that at Walmart when I used to do the intro in store. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you hit the like button, make sure that you make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss other videos. Without further ado, we're gonna head over to I'm gonna share with y'all what I got from Walmart if you want to see what your girl got. Alright guys, so this first deal that we're gonna grab is on the Orchard Valley Harvest. It's on the salad toppers. Now y'all know I love these on my oatmeal too. Well, actually I have been getting this one here, which has worked for me in the past, but based on the fine print, you want to grab these down here. So I grabbed this one here yesterday, priced at $2.78. You want to grab 2 of them, you'll pay $5.56 out of pocket. Getting back 4 on a Swagbucks makes them only 78 cents each. I went ahead and just maxed it out because I figured why not. Next up is going to be the Cheetos mac and cheese. It's on rollback for $1.12. So you're going to grab 1 of them, getting back 30 cents on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 82 cents. Next up is the Gatorade Zero. Really quick, one of you guys was saying it wasn't working for you. The orange one and the blue one works for me. That other one, that one doesn't work for me. And so I've been grabbing this on repeat, price at $3.64, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making that only $1.64. Here is another deal that's still good. It's on the Hearshire Farms on the little snack kit lunches. They're priced at $2.78. For this you want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $5.56. You're going to get back 300 kicks on Shopkick for each one. There's also $2.50 on checkout 51 for buying 2, bringing them down to only 33 cents each. Again, with a Shopkick there is an offer for each one with a limit of 3, and then as far as checkout 51 there's a limit of 3 as well, so you can grab a total of 6 of them. I'm making them all like really cheap. And so yeah, it's gonna be a deal on Dr. Pepper again. So these are on rollback for $1.96. You want to grab 2 of them, you'll pay $7.84, getting back $7 on Swagbucks, making them only 21 cents each. Now I've been maxing it out, grabbing 4 at one time, making them a really awesome deal. Alright guys, so this next deal is gonna be on the Meow Mix. I saw Mr. Ohio Valley post this in his last Walmart video. It's on the little ones here, they're priced at 68 cents. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $1.36, getting back 68 cents on Ibotta, bringing them down to only 34 cents. Right, so my next deal is going to be on the Febreze Stain Odor Eliminator. It is priced for $9.47, getting back $4.75 on Ibotta. There's also this $4 mail-in rebate. I'm going to actually try it this time around because I have yet to do them. And a lot of you guys actually said you did get it back, regardless of the fact that a lot of people said that they didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It'll bring this down to only 47 cents. Next up is gonna be the All Free and Clear, price at $3.93, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. There's also $1.50 on Shopmium as well as Swagbucks, making this only 18 cents. So next up is going to be the Pantene. It's on the Miracle Moisture Boost. It's priced at $2.97. Both the conditioner as well as the shampoo both work for the $2 offer on Ibotta. So I grabbed one last. I'm going to grab another one this time around. There's a 50-cent bonus as well, bringing that down to only 47 cents. As if we need more KY. So listen, it's on the KY warming gel. It's priced at $4.68. So for this, you're gonna grab 1 of them. You're gonna be getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Shopmium as well as Swagbucks as well, making that a $4.53 moneymaker. Next deal is gonna be on the Poise pads, priced at $5.97 for the 30 count. For this, you want to grab 2. You'll pay $11.94 out of pocket, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. There's also $5 on Shopmium as well as $5 on Swagbucks. And then last but not least, 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40, making this a $4.46 moneymaker. Now the other option would be to grab 1 of the pads at $5.97 and then 1 of the liners at
$5.94. Both are gonna come to $11.91, getting back $3 on Ibotta, which is $2 for one, $1 for the other, $5 on Shopmium, $5 on Swagbucks, and then the kicks on Shopkick did go up this morning to $7.50, which is $3, making both of them free plus a $4.09 moneymaker, which is definitely not a bad deal. Next up is gonna be a deal on the Band-Aids. They are priced at $2.93. You want to grab one, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on Shopmeme as well as $1 on Swagbucks, making this a 7-cent. The Robitussin is priced at $5.98, getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on Shopmeme, $2 on Swagbucks, making this a 2-cent money. Next up is the Motrin. It is priced at $5.97. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Shopmium and $2 on Swagbucks, making that a 3-cent moneymaker. And of course, this deal is still good on the Penetrix, priced at $20.13. Getting back $6 on Ibotta, $5 on Inbox Dollars, $5 on Checkoff 51, $5 on Fetch Reward. There's also offers on Shopmium and Alexa as well, making this an 80-cent moneymaker. So next up is the Imodium. It's for the kids. It's priced at $6.58. I'm getting back $3 on Ibotta, $3 on Shopmium, $3 on Swagbucks, making us a $2.42 moneymaker. Right, just a reminder on the Glucerna deal, it is still a great deal. They are priced at $12.48. There is a manufacturer offer. I'll have a link for you in the description. Getting back $12.48, and then $3 back on Ibotta, making this a $3 moneymaker. Alright, so next up is the Zarbee's. It's on the chest rub right there, which is priced at $6.78. You're going to grab one of them, getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on Shopmium, and $2 on Swagbucks, making this only 78 cents. So this first deal here at Target is going to be on the Perfect Bars. It's on the layers. They are priced at $2.59. So for this, you want to grab two. You'll pay $5.18. There is a manufacturer offer, making one of them free, and then you'll get back $2.48 on Ibotta. Making them only 5 cents each. Alright, so this next deal is a flavor wiki deal. It's on the Belgian waffles. It's on the Belgian waffles. They're priced at $5.89. Now for this, there's a 25-cent off Target Circle, which will take off $1.47. You'll pay $4.42 out of pocket. Getting back the 8 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $3.58 money. Alright, so next up is the So Delicious yogurt. It is priced at $1.69, getting back $8 on Ibotta, making this only 69 cents. Right. And of course, we're doing the Finish Ultimate deal again. It's on the 11 count tabs, priced at $4.99. Both are going to come to $9.98, getting back $3 for each on Ibotta. There's also two different offers on Tada. One is for $3, one is for $2. You might still have the offers on Shopmium or Alexa. I think I might have a $2 offer on Shopmium still. But it would make this $1.02. Alright, so this next deal I'm going to grab is on the Airborne. I saw Sister Saving You Cents post this deal, so I thought it was worth doing. We're going to grab one of the Airborne and one of the Mucinex down there. They are buy to get back a $5 Walmart gift card. So we're going to grab the Airborne, price at $7.59. And we're going to grab the Mucinex down here, priced at $5.29. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this one instead because it is priced a little cheaper at $5.29. So the two of these is going to come to $12.88, getting back a $5 Target gift card, $3 on Ibotta, $4 on Shopmium, $4 on Tada, making this a $3.12 money. I was going to grab the lipsticks, but this store is completely out, and I really want a low out of pocket, so I was really hoping to find them. I'm probably gonna check a different store and see if I get lucky over there. But you want to grab the Referral lipsticks. They're priced at $6.49. I've done this deal a couple times already. So you'll grab one. There is a $3 Target Circle. You'll pay $3.49 out of pocket. Then you'll get back $4 on Ibotta, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. Now the limit on this for Ibotta is 5, and then I believe the limit for the Target Circle is a limit of 6. So you could just grab 5 and max it out, which is what I definitely had planned to do. And so hopefully I'll get lucky at the other store.
All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This went pretty good. The only coupons I had was for the Revlon. I did find some at a different store. I found 2 lipsticks and 1 lip gloss. I figured the 2 lipsticks were like a 51-cent moneymaker. So let's say a $1 moneymaker that paid for the 89-cent Revlon lip gloss. So that's why I only got 3. If they would have had more lipstick, I would have just went ahead and just got a bunch of lipsticks. But that's what they had. That's all they had. Other than that, you guys, everything worked out really, really good for this haul. Now, I did redeem for a gift card, which I included in my numbers for Frisbee. I mentioned that app to you guys, I don't know, some weeks ago. It's just a scan any receipt type of app. I absolutely love it because this is my second gift card that I've redeemed, and it's basically a Visa virtual gift card, and I just add that to my Walmart app and use it there. And so it works out perfect. So I added that. The other app that I wanted to tell you guys I'm not using no more, literally after I cashed out this last time, is Cashwalk, which I mentioned over a year ago. And when I first mentioned that app, it was 1,500 coins to cash out. Then it went to 2,000. Then it went to 2,500. Now it's at 3,000, which could take literally like 3 months to accumulate that many steps or coins to cash out. And so that app, after I cash out, I'm like 200 coins away, which for me will probably be like maybe 3 or 4 more days, hopefully, because I've been at the gym a lot more and getting more steps in. Other than that, yeah, that app is gonna, we're just gonna drop it because to me, it's not worth it. It was worth it when it was 1,500. I was even cool with 2,000, but now it's going to 3,000. I'm good. And so other than that, you guys, I'm gonna make this really, really quick. So everything you see here retails $137.41. I had the $9 in Target Circle, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $128.41. And then we walk away with $54.48 from Ibotta. I do have one Target receipt pending. And then Swagbucks was $43.50, which everything has gone through, I think, except, I think I have like 4 offers still pending, but everything else has gone through already. Shopmium is $25, which everything has gone through. Flavor Wiki is $8 for the waffles. Frisbee was the $5 gift card that I redeemed. Target was a $5 gift card. Febreze mail-in rebates was $4. And then last but not least was Shopkick at $2.40. So a total of $147.38 back in rebates makes everything you see here free, plus an $18.97 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. I'm hoping I eventually get this $4 back right here. But even if we don't, it still would be like a $14 moneymaker. Just still not bad. And so other than that, Josiah, what was your emojis? He's watching Larva, so I think that's why he said all the bugs, because he's watching Larva on Netflix. A snail, a worm, and a butterfly. If you got to this point in the video, I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.